Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, nice movement today here within the overall context. Now, actually, let me define overall context. So within the overall context of things, this thing is in a massive, massive uptrend. So that's what I mean by overall context. But what I'm doing here is squeezing things down and just looking at mainly the past couple of days and looking at today individually. Very impressive movement. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that just a couple of days ago, the price was down here Wednesday morning, and all of a sudden the price has worked its way all the way back up to there. Good, solid movement. So now the question becomes, okay, yeah, very nice movement, but is there any sort of true power behind that movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area here at the 14-cent mark. Why is 14 cents important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 14, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, no pricing just goes straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress again being defined at 14 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level of resistance now to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at that 20-cent mark. So 20 cents, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive bounce over the past couple of days. Now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.